We are back at it again here with another video to invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., and it continues to struggle to hold itself up and it's pushing down lower, but it was not the only stock falling. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 12:35 p.m. sent us out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, put options went up 150% plus within minutes, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock hitting an extreme weakness point today again. Yesterday tried to reverse, consolidated, went back towards it, and we're here in the 240s, and we have some numbers to talk about, guys. Some very important resistance and supports. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord, and it was one of our bots. So the home run of the day was not one of the stocks I mentioned this morning. The stocks I mentioned this morning gave small jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, but our home run today turned out to be our Tesla bot. And if you want to receive this edge and have this clarity over the charts and know what stocks we're watching every single morning early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. Gets you connected to the 42 vision indicator and also our SPY bot, Tesla bot, and QQQ bot. And you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 11:25 a.m. and this is how it performed. So it actually jumped up a little bit and then the rest of the day continued downwards, and the Tesla bot sent it at 11:25 a.m. and put options were up 200% plus in minutes, guys. If you guys want to gain this access to have this edge and know what stocks we're watching early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and 42 vision indicator. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., and you're definitely going to want to stick around for today's key levels on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1-day, and what the charts are showing. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources by receiving that edge and clarity. They're able to maximize on opportunities as well, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Bbig stock pulling downwards, and in the comment section of my videos, I get told all the time that there's a lot of manipulation in this stock, and we know that already, right? That has been the narrative for over a year. Then we also get people talking about there's a lot of fake shares. And then we also get the comments that I believe are actually not the best comments when someone says the charts don't matter. This stock, the charts don't matter. Well, every single time the stock has presented an opportunity in the bigger picture, right? If you zoom out, let's look at it from the 1 hour. The charts do matter, right? This bull indicator here from 230 to 268, that did matter. That's 10% plus. This bear indicator here from 323 to 248, that does matter. That's almost a whole dollar, 80 cents to the downside. Put options must have printed. And same here every single time. And I'm sure that investors are playing both sides while they're holding their positions and averaging down within the volatility. And I've always stated in all my videos how important, just based off this reaction here back in January towards February, $4 was. We reached it, and it goes ahead and brings itself down again. If you have watched my videos from around this time, if you started watching me after March, you probably never heard me say it. But all of January and all of February, I always stated the only ones that are going to hand the chart back to the shorts and the bears are the bulls themselves, because we would pull up the average price of shares and how many were in the negative based off the statistics and the data, and the average price a lot of people had at the time in January and February was around $4 to $5. So it needed a break above that. The closer it got to that, the more people got shook out, the more that broke even, the more that made a slight profit if they averaged down in the 3s and 2s and they saw it go up, or some just cut their losses short. And then things went down in March, and the average cost, we went over it again, went down towards $3. So $3 was a part where there was a resistance. That's why things fell right back down again. And this time around, it broke right through $3. It was above 4, right, for a time being, just a few cents. And then it pulled itself right back down to the 3s. And everyone that was slightly in the profit or breaking even has been leaving. And then everyone says, the shorts, the shorts, the shorts. I understand that. There are shorts, there are bears. I always talk about that in the videos. But stocks don't just move alone. There has to be someone selling, okay? And the selling is on, and it's going on. And here we are. We've been under a bear indicator since 322. This right here turned out to be a big fake out. And I talked about it. It needed a break and stay above $3. Break above 4 now, since that was the new resistance. And it's been the previous resistance that we talked about and analyzed way back here, so that this could break out to newer highs, because all of this up here, this whole entire area, based off the history of the chart, is all shorts. All of this. That can create a big squeeze if they get trapped. But as long as it stays below it, they're not getting trapped. They're putting more pressure. So super important to realize that on the history of the chart, back to January up to today, and these moves have been very short-lived. And here we are. So one thing is, everyone's expecting a gamma squeeze, whether it was last month, this month, or in the near future. Okay? So yes, I put in the headings, gamma squeeze, question mark. Is it going to happen? And I'm analyzing the charts daily, not financial advice, my own personal opinion. I'm sharing with you guys what 42 Vision is showing, and it's the indicators that you can gain access to so that you can receive this edge. You don't even have to watch the videos. You'll be able to see it yourself, right? And then the other thing is, I'm here to just go ahead and break it down. I enjoy making these videos, and I've always shared with you guys when things are looking pretty bullish or weak, and the key levels that matter. I'm not here to hype things up or sugarcoat it. I'm here to actually break down what the charts are showing. So when you look at Bbig stock on the 1 hour, it's been under a bear indicator since way up here at 322, and on the 30-minute, it's been under a bear indicator around the same area. So when you look at these levels, we are retesting an area of consolidation before the Tyde news came out. And if it breaks below those levels of 245, 240, the next support will be down here at the 220s. So it's going to be super important to be watching this on those levels. Now on the 4 hour, we've been under a bear indicator since $3. Pulling downwards, we hit red bars and it canceled out this bull indicator way back up here on May 10th. And on the 1 day, we've been pulling downwards, no bear indicator until today. It's confirmed, and it's transitioned from bright green to dark green or Fred borders, and we have a bear indicator here canceling out this bull indicator. So this was very short-lived. The only thing that everyone was looking for was Bbig to have Tyde news come out. It did, and since that date, things have been falling instead of having further strength. Everyone was looking for more strength. Support was not found, and everything I broke down in today's video is the reason why there's a lot more downward pressure than there should be, because someone is selling and average costs were either break even, in slight profits, or people are deciding to take the small hit because the overall market is looking a lot more bearish than anything else right now. When you really zoom out, it's looking a lot more bearish than people have anticipated. And BBIG stock, unfortunately, and every other stock, doesn't matter if it's a squeeze stock, no squeeze, meme stock, growth stock, penny stock, big tech stock, whatever it is being pulled down and suppressed with the rest of the market. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make